The tail light is perfect. Bam. LEDs work perfectly fine. So we did all our wiring right. It was just the battery. That's actually primo. The blue's looking good, like a blue tropical fucking Skittle. I love it. Can't wait to put the tires on this bitch. Like I said, same guy who did Nick's orange, man. Sick. It's sick. We're riding. Damn, that's dope. So yeah, we got all that right. Like usual, guys, we're gonna put you down somewhere, and everybody's gonna get to work. You know, we're all gonna get to work.
Right? Right?
Alright, so we got that there. One moved up. Just gotta finish that up. Let's have a look over here.
Shit.
So yeah.
What do I do to my bike? Put these pink hoses on you.
Yeah. Yeah. And he did put these little headlights up here too. I don't know if we put those in the video last time. Right in. So. Yeah. Can't wait to take a picture of all three of these outside. It's gonna be fucking phenomenal. These are fucking beautiful machines. Put all time and energy in this past year. This is what we've been doing. The work's almost done. There we go. You said, what's up, man? My bad. The book?
Brake light.
Oh, brake light. Good. All right. Well, yeah. Save this for next week. Knock that out when we get the light for this. And I said these are the wires. Sorry if my hair's in there. Yeah, wiring everything in the front. I figure what next week we still gotta do something with this. Finish that. We gotta finish putting stuff up here to secure. Also, yeah, like I said, if you guys didn't see this again, Chris went ahead and threw this in for the air filter, which is decent. I like it. Love it. Put it right there. It's right over. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the bell. Yeah, Chris fixed this one because he knew I wanted to hear it jingle jangle. Which is perfect. Keep them gremlins away from our bikes. Now, we're gonna help Nick mock his stuff up right quick on the electric part. Get him going so he can get his what do you call that? Single. What do you call that? What do you call what you're doing? Single cable. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So put you up. And this is one too. Look, yeah, it's all the way. Yeah. Mock up. So yeah, we'll grab an elbow.
Now it's actually Frankie. See what his favorite color is.
That's the middle one. Alright, here we go, guys. Damn, dude, now I'm gonna be singing that all day.
Right.
He said, work it, let me work it, put the thing down, flip it.
How are you not singing that?
I wasn't, I don't even know what was in my head before that, but that's in my head now. Like,
Alright, here we go. Oh shit, he said deep purple.
he can't have my Hawaiian blood though, bro. No, he can't have that one. But I'll give him a good one, yeah. But Hawaiian blood, I gotta save that for. Oh shit, you shit the fuck out. Nice.
How that works? If it's on.
Yeah, that's going to.
Perfect,
Yep,
perfect
both sides. Yes, sir.
Yes! Oh,
Nice. Good job.
oh, dropped it.
All right, so Nick got all of his wiring and stuff done. I'm gonna give you guys a little edit treat before we end this vid. So yeah, just wanted her to get a little sun today since it's nice out. Can't ride her yet because we still have to do line and tank and everything. But I think she looks good. And Chris has got his out here. She's looking beautiful as always. Chris don't like giving her sun, I guess. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's the one. You know. Nick's got all his wiring done. He actually got her to start up. Figured out what he's got a nice game plan for what he's gonna do for the handlebars and everything. Of course, like I said, there's that orange. His seat's up there. Well, yeah, man. Hopefully, I just want you guys to have a good day. Thanks for watching all these vids and showing us love. It's phenomenal, and we'll keep making these vids for you guys. Just can't wait for until we can ride, you know, and then you guys can definitely, because me myself, I'm going to go cross country with this thing. I wanted to see all 50 states, but we'll see what the rest of the guys, what they want to do. So down to have their bikes do the same, you know. Oh yeah, they all saw that good. Oh my God, good. So Brainiac signing off, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's how we gonna be looking. Like this. It's a good look for me, I know.
Did I get a package?
Yeah, it's upstairs. Oh.
You happy, bro?
Oh yeah.
Love it?
Definitely.